Ooh, can you pull it?
Oh, remember these.
Arr.
There you go. Look at all these
Oh man,
books.
look at a lot of books.
Look at those.
She likes books. Marika likes books, huh? Marika, baby girl, can you look at me? Cheese. Do you like books? Wow, look at all this
I
stuff.
think there's one more. There's one more over here. Let's see what this one is.
You want to open one more present?
Oh, let me put that note. Oh, there you go. Get in there. There you go. Pull that. There you go. What's in there? Oh, there you go. Oh, what's this? Oh, the ugly duckling. And what one's that? Sid Hoff's Animals of...
Marika, can you look at me and say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you look at me, please? Hey. Hey, baby. Hi.